Here is how to find or remove ever already installed EA games without re-downloading anything. I'll show you guys how to do it. As you can see, Skate, it shows download option, but I have the game files in my desktop. As you can see, now I'll show you guys how to do that. Open up EA app and click on this drop down in profile and select settings. Go to downloads tab, and this is the path the game will install. Just navigate to this path. After you are in the path, just cut and paste the game folder inside this folder. Select the continue option. The game files are in here. Go back to EA app and select the game and select the download option. Select the change option and navigate to the game path. Games. Select the game folder and select OK option, and then select next option. Select download. It start verifying the game files, guys, and it's done too quick, like a second. And now I can play the game just by clicking on play option. Now as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. Just close the game, and that's how you can do it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.